What's up, everybody? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the guest room. Well, this is just our spare bedroom, but today I'm in here because I'm going to teach you guys, well, not teach you, I'm going to show you guys how I pack for an extended vacation. In a couple of days, I'll be leaving to go to Europe for 2 weeks, and it's really, especially like now in the age of you have to pay for everything that you do on the plane. Like you gotta pay for your bag, you gotta pay for your whatever. You gotta know how to pack so you're not carrying everything. Back when I was in like college or when we were going on trips with my family, I used to take like everything I owned, and I would always be burdened down with all this stuff because I didn't know how to pack. So I'm gonna be showing you just some things to help you get organized for your trip so that you can, pack and be good. That you're not like young Dwayna, which was struggling through the airport with all her stuff because she doesn't know how to pack. So if you guys wanna see all of that, stay tuned. The most important part of packing is getting the proper suitcase. This is a Samsonite Caravelle Limited 24-inch upright suitcase that has 4 wheels that turn in 360 degrees so that it is easy for you to maneuver. It has 2 sides, an inside flat pocket, and it is expandable. I got this suitcase at TJ Maxx for $99. They have an excellent assortment of suitcases for every price range. So one thing that I have learned over the past year or so, in order to pack and not overpack on your trips, is that you need to invest in packing cubes. I got this set from Amazon. It comes with 2 large cubes, a medium cube, a small cube, a toiletries cube, and then it comes with a shoe cube and another one of these for swimsuits. Packing cubes are clutch when you're packing for extended vacations because everything can be organized. You can put underwear in one, shirts in another, bottoms in another, dresses in another, and your shoes will be all together. You can have one for accessories, and they just fit really nicely into your suitcase so that you're not like scrambling around through things. I also got these extra shoe bags. They don't match, but I got extra shoe bags from Amazon. And then I got this Adventure Awaits packing cube from TJ Maxx. It came in a set of 3 for like $7. And I usually fill these with like skincare, hair stuff, accessories, things like that that can get lost in your suitcase. Now we come down to the nitty-gritty. Like, what are we taking? I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks. If I'm going to take 14 different outfits for me to wear on a vacation, absolutely not. That's going to be too much. So I am going to do something that is called capsule packing. Like, if you think of a fashion show, it can be thought of as a capsule because all of the pieces usually in a fashion show, they match each other. They might have like dresses, and then they might have separates that you can mix and match and make different outfits with. And so that's exactly what I'll be doing. And then you also have to think of like, yeah, I'm going away for 2 weeks, but are you gonna need 2 weeks worth of all casual outfits like shorts and t-shirts? Are you gonna need some dresses? Like, am I gonna be fancy one night and go out to dinner? Like, you have to think about all of that, and you don't want to put like, what if I go out to dinner 2 days in a row? Am I gonna have to bring 2 formal dresses? Like, you don't want to have to think about stuff like that. So it's easiest to pack in a capsule collection. Basically, all that means is that everything needs to match, and everything has to be able to be switched out and swapped out. Add an accessory here, take off an accessory there, throw a shirt on over it, throw a jacket on over it, and go about your business, and you have a completely different outfit. So after I did my research on Pinterest and Google, which are 2 really great resources for like capsules and packing and all that stuff, I went through my closet and I said, what things do I have right now that can be taken and can be used in different ways in order to create multiple outfits? And the easiest way that I saw was the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing. What are you going to be wearing the most? Tops and bottoms. So you probably need 5 of each of those. 4 dresses, and you can have 2-day dresses and 2 evening dresses, or 3-day dresses and 1 evening dress. Then you have like something to throw over your shoulders if it gets cold at night, and that makes it a whole new outfit. Just little things like that. All right, so we got through all of the boring stuff, all of the yabba gabbas. We got through all of that. So let's actually see what I'll be bringing. So I'm gonna be packing 5 bottoms. I only have 4 here right now because I'm waiting for my last bottom to come in the mail. But I have a black midi pencil skirt, 2 pairs of denim shorts, and a pair of white cropped jeans. I actually might take more than 5 shirts because I'm doing it. So I just have a navy blue relaxed fit tee. I have this off the shoulder gingham tee that ties. It's like a crop shirt. I have my Beyonce shirt. Not going anywhere without that. A white tank and like a white crew neck shirt. So now for dresses, I have 4 dresses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have 4 dresses. This is a maxi dress. I have a black bodycon mini dress, coral colored mini dress. This is the same exact one as the black one. And then I have this double-breasted cami dress. Now moving on to 3, and I have 3 bags. I have this sky blue bucket bag that I got from J. Crew. This will be a nice pop of color. Pop of color is in right now for bags especially. Then I have this fanny pack because apparently they pickpocket you in Europe, and so you need to strap your money to you. And then I have this all-purpose backpack, and this will probably go on the plane with me as my carry-on, and I'll put those other 2 in the suitcase. I also am taking 3 pairs of flats. So I have a brown pair of flats, and I have a pair of lace-up flats, and then for like when I'm in Italy and we're just like walking through the countryside, I don't know, we're gonna be in Rome, so it's probably no countryside, but I'm just walking through Rome. I have these espadrilles. They have like little studs on them, so they're a little bit more modernized than the espadrilles that we've seen a lot. I thought these were really cute, so I'll be wearing these. And they're comfortable too, so I'll be wearing those a lot. And I'm also wearing these sneakers on the plane. 2 pairs of sunglasses. I got this from Amazon. But this is this animal print dusters. This can be thrown over some shorts. It can be thrown over a dress. It can be thrown over jeans, and you can still like, and you just look chic and, you know, caftany like a grown-up. And I have one other accessory, which is my headband, because I'm gonna need a headband. And I like this headband. It's cute. I have 2 more of them, but I don't know where they are. All right, so now I'm going to pack them in the cubes, and I'm gonna pack them in the bag, and I'm gonna show you how the bag looks once it's all packed. I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. One thing that I forgot to tell you guys while I was packing is if you're going away for a long time, don't like shy away from bringing laundry detergent, because you can wash your clothes. I'm pretty sure you can wash your clothes wherever you're going, unless you're going like on a, I don't know, camping trip or safari or whatever. You probably can wash your clothes there. So the hotels that we're staying at, they have laundry rooms, and so I'll be washing some stuff before I leave to go to the next city, because I didn't pack that many things. My bag ain't even 50 pounds yet. I wish I knew where my luggage scale was so I could show y'all that this bag is like 27 pounds right now. And it's light, and it's really very maneuverable because it's Samsonite, and Samsonite has the best wheels. And you know, we're good. We're good to go. All right. I broke a few hearts or 2, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames. They blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then that was you. It feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it. So as you can see, I packed everything that was on that bed, plus a few extras like my pajamas and some socks and some underwear that I had. I put they're all in the suitcase. And when I first got that suitcase, I was like, this is not big enough. I'm not gonna be able to fit nothing in there. But packing in the cubes really is a space saver, and it really helps you stay organized and just wonderful. And I still have a little bit more space for like toiletries and makeup on that other side. That's the reason why I got the hard top case, because I wanted to be able to pack my makeup without being scared that it will get crushed in my soft bag. If you guys like this video, if you'd like to see more lifestyle stuff like this, look at me. Lena the lifestyle vlogger. Ooh, we're getting away from makeup and skin and hair. Doing lifestyle. We're tapping into lifestyle. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please just let me know. Keep down in the comments things that will help you guys. I'm very scatterbrained and I'm not the most organized person, so in order for me to get anything done, I have to be like kind of over organized about it so that I don't get to like wherever I'm going and be like, I forgot my contact solution, which has happened before. But if you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also guys, I'm doing a vlog for my European trip. I don't know when those are gonna be up, but they're coming, they're gonna be up. I'm gonna try and break them up in the city so they're not too long. So look out for those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.